In this video, I will show you how to set a minimum order quantity on Shopify. First, log in to your Shopify dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Apps. Then open the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, search for OC Quantity Breaks Order Limit and install the app. Once the installation is complete, click Activate when prompted. Shopify will then redirect you to your theme settings. Make sure the app block is enabled and click Save before continuing. Next, return to the app and refresh the page if needed. Once the app is loaded, click the OC Quantity icon from the left sidebar. Then click Discounts, select Create New Discount, and choose Limit Purchase Rules. From here, click Browse and select the product you want to apply the quantity restriction to. Then enter your preferred minimum purchase quantity. You can also set a maximum purchase quantity if needed. If you want the minimum quantity to be selected automatically on the product page, enable the Set Minimum as Default Quantity on Product Page option. Then click Save to apply the changes. Now, when customers visit the product page, they'll be required to purchase at least the minimum quantity you've set. If they try to select a lower quantity, they'll see a message letting them know the minimum order requirement. That's it! You've successfully set a minimum order quantity on Shopify. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.